We're back. Well, I'm back. Melody just got off of 6 hard days at work. 1 new job. Oh my God. What have I just found? What is that? Is that a heroin needle? What the hell? Okay. Well, that goes over here where I can't get infected by it. Anyways, I'm back. And, oh my gosh, there's another one. Jesus Christ. Alright. We got freaking needles out here on the bridge. I've got some friends that may or may not be coming, and I messed up. I didn't get bug spray. I thought I had some, but apparently I'm out. So I'm getting torn up by mosquitoes. They're flying all over my face. But I also want to show you this other really wild thing I just found. That's a skull. I don't know if that's a possum or what. I don't know. It's got some wild teeth. I really don't know. But damn, look at that thing. Okay, well, I'm going to take that off the bridge once I put my gloves on and put it on the ground so I don't throw it. I might want to keep that and maybe paint it. That is some wild stuff right there. I don't know what's going on with that, but I'm pretty sure it's not insulin. I'm out here to do some magnet fishing on this bridge. I'm getting eaten by mosquitoes. And somebody came through with tractors and plowed down whatever that is over there. And all that debris is in the water, so I'm probably just going to pull up a bunch of trees. But I don't know. We'll see. If it gets really bad, we'll relocate. Don't worry. I got a glove on one hand. And I got to use my phone. So the other hand is free. Here we go. Whoosh. Woo. Ka-thunk. Let's see what happens. It's gonna be a bunch of muck. Okay, not a bad start. Oh crap, it's starting to rain on me. That's okay. My car's right there. I can go sit and wait it out. It's not like crazy. There's a lot of blue sky around us. But I don't know what that is, but it latched on and there's like a nail underneath it. So anyway, we got something. Let's go. Chris is here. Good timing too, because I'm stuck down here. I'm on something. You can see that rope right there. I am on something that is so heavy that we're gonna have to go all the way over there just to pull that magnet off. That's the thing about these beast magnets. They're so strong. You got to be careful what you click on. You might not be able to get it out. Chris over here showing up hard and ready with his new wagon. Yeah, man, that's like twice the size of ours. That's pretty cool. He's got all his stuff back here, his ropes and his towels and everything. There's so much debris. I'm about to switch over to the other side of the bridge because this place is just like trashed. All right, one of the weirdest things I've ever found. It's a piece of green painted rebar. All right, I'll take it. That's pretty crazy, but into the bucket it goes. Yeah. So I put up a post on Facebook today and I said, hey, I'm gonna be out magnet fishing on such and such road. And Miss Debbie saw that and here she is. And she's got Melody's gloves on. And lo and behold, her first toss, there she goes. She pulls up some, it's scrap metal. This is a leaf. Yep. But all the other crap that you would see, which isn't here, we call it shart.
Shart.
Shart. Yeah, just gunch, just nasty. But, what do we say?
Into the bucket it goes.
Your freaking first 47 seconds of magnet fishing, and I've been out here for 2 hours and found shit. And this is what you're gonna do? You're pulling up nails and screws and bolts. Yeah.
It's not a shotgun though.
No, it's not a shotgun. We almost don't want to do that because when it takes time for the police to come, it does take a bit out of our day. And we are running out of daylight, and I'm hoping it doesn't rain on us. But look at you. Look at you. Just killing it.
Into the bucket it goes.
Booyah.
Booyah.
All right, we're getting tangled up in our ropes, but I pulled up some rebar. He's gonna get us untangled. And I'm sorry, what was your name again?
Mary.
Mary. And yours?
Debbie.
Debbie. That's my aunt's name. I should remember your name. Jesus. These guys showed up because I posted on Facebook like, hey, we're gonna be at X place. We're gonna be doing this. And lo and behold, here they are. And we're all finding some stuff, so that's pretty cool. So Mary here has found some. Not only did she get these 2 nails, but she's got some type of wired contraption. That is part of a fishing
The
rig.
lead weights, yeah?
Yeah, little sinkers.
Okay.
Yeah, that works. Yeah. That means you found something in the river.
Yeah.
Thank you to Debbie for holding that there for me. But that's another one. That makes, I think, 8 that we have stashed around town. They don't fit in my car, so that's why we have to stash them. Onto the side of the road it goes. We will come back and pick that up once we get our trailer fully functioning. And we might even use those things to weld together with my buddy Mikey to get a back on our trailer that we just purchased. So, all right, we are cleaning out the river. And we got some cool ass people hanging out. We got Mary over here.
Hi.
We got Chris over here. And we got Debbie over here getting all dirty. Look at you.
Dirty.
Yep, you're going to get dirty. Magnet fishing is not a clean job.
No.
I just want to say thank you to Mary and Debbie for seeing my Facebook post, coming out and joining us for this fun adventure. We didn't find a bunch of great stuff, but you never know. Everything we find, magnet fishing, is exciting. Let's get out there together. Let's go clean out the waterways. Let's do it. Also, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell, share with your friends, and strawberry shortcake. So cool, man. You guys have a wonderful evening.
You too.
We'll probably be back. We'll be back out sometime tomorrow when it's not so hot. So if you would like to, hit me up and let me know that you want to come and you can join us.
Sounds good.
There you go.